This is Bilisummaa Entertainment, where I promote Oromo freedom songs 2014 Oromo freedom songs. Before this one, it was Finfinne by Jafar Yusuf. This is the third one. Kaii Bultuma is ready. I hope you're gonna like this song. All these songs that I'm promoting here, Oromo freedom songs by Bilisummaa Entertainment, are not for everybody. Especially this one, the third one that I'm going to play for you, is not for everybody. You have to be emotionally, mentally ready to handle this song. These songs are very strong. I'm telling you right now, you have to be emotionally ready. No crying involved here. This is freedom songs. You are watching Bilisummaa Entertainment, and the track is ready, dedicated to Qeerro, and I will see you after the track. Kitto.
Batte jimfu kabin itanani ngapani dinatti biya basu farda garmam se kase ababile nekate danga kakayublate abbane galmalate ilmisena dagate imana banyadu enyumma gonda gadu duwe tambada male biya kormaladu enyu tambaye bada sanyi onne barbada harkadi gana nyada malaba konga mada malanya dega pada malam thai tabada dulu mahmuda kani ilmadachu yomi fi tuani singalani ilma kamna kanafi ajese adibatu fi bore abafatu iragara mate hada iratiyete imalakku hate iga tambore yae rasasa wala kai kullu biya falmata waregame karubu siras duran walani wali diober matani arkan kainin kabuba amashan sirafirba Kaii Qeerro kana dinadanga darbe bandachi lamma fanarge Kaii Qeerro kana dinadanga darbe bandachi lamma fanarge Kaii Oromo kana Oromiyaa jirani abashatu mungurani Kaii Oromo kana Oromiyaa jirani abashatu mungurani Rabbi guddaanu gargaare kana gaarra geenye jaarra dhibbaaf kan dandeenye kana mana maangeenye abbaan farda soore beekutu farda soora beekulloo koo gannaa baasa nangobdi soora Kaii Qeerroon kana dinadanga darbe bandaachi lamma fanarge Kaii Qeerroon kana dinadanga darbe bandaachi lamma fanarge Bade duratu denjedi kitatu Badabinandale ni onata jale Atisa ke muradu injarjari numadu Gan sore farda ko sirana fudu ako Bormilole jale atirafta jale Talonni kutate kaye undu tokko tae Hare garani Hamsa kotota isa duri sanna gaye Hare lumni Ganni sakale nuti kuna nuti kaye Hare garani Baratan falmate kararati baye Hare lumni
Welcome back, everybody, to Bilisummaa Entertainment. Bilisummaa Freedom Songs. That song is very strong. Like I said, you have to be emotionally, mentally ready to listen to these songs. More songs are coming soon in the future. All the songs are not for everybody. They are very strong songs. They have a message. If you are not ready, don't listen to them. For now, that's all Bilisummaa Entertainment show that I have for you. Take care.